Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Mohammad Ahmad. I am from BS Chemistry Department. I am here to present our topic coal. In my presentation, I tell you about what is coal, how coal are formed, how many classification of coal, what are the advantages and disadvantages of coal. First of all, discuss its definition. Coal is a black or dark brown in color. It is also called black gold. Coal is a natural fossil fuel. What is fossils? Remains of decay of dead plant or animals embedded in rocks and preserved as petrified form. Fuel, those substances which catch fire on burning, called fuel. So the proper definition of coal is that coal is a black or dark brown rock which composed of carbonized plant, those plant which contain carbon and found in underground seams and used as a fuel. Now we move forward on the composition of coal. Coal are formed by carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and very small amount of sulfur and nitrogen. But the percentage of carbon are very high in the formation of coal. Now we move forward how coal are formed. Formation of coal. Millions or billions years ago, all whole the earth covered with plants. When these plants die, they lay down on the soil. After the decomposition of these plants, the new plant are formed in the replacement of dead plant. When times was gone, this process repeated again and again, and this new born plant became died, and this died plant exert the pressure on the layer of other plants, and this process again and again, and they form a sac, and this convert the soil contain decomposing bacteria. These bacteria start to decompose this wood into the coal. Now we move forward on the classification of coal. There are main 5 classification of coal: peat, lignite, subbituminous, bituminous, last one is anthracite. This classification, the classification of coal on the basis of carbon and moisture contact. We know that peat convert into lignite, lignite convert into subbituminous, subbituminous convert into bituminous, and bituminous convert into anthracite. Anthracite is the important form of coal which contain approximately 90 to 95% carbon. Now we discuss peat. peat are present on the upper surface of soil. For example, this is the surface of soil and this is the depth of the soil, earth. This is present on the top layer. It contain decomposition. It contain the root, leaves, and fruits of decomposed plant. It also contain 25 to 35% of carbon. It contain 80% of water moisture, and it produced less heat and more smoke, because when it is stored on a burning, the contact of moisture is very high, and they produced a lot of smoke rather than heat. Now we move forward on the formation of lignite. Lignite. When more decomposed plant are laid down on the upper surface of the peat, they start to push the peat downward to the soil. When they reach to at this place, then the temperature and pressure more increases, which convert the peat into lignite. So lignite contain approximately 35 to 45% of carbon. It contains 75% of water moisture, and it is a very low range of carbon, because on burning it produces less heat, but more heat than peat. It cannot be stored because it is degenerate due to the presence of moisture and less amount of carbon contact. Now we move forward on the subbituminous. Subbituminous. When more plants die, they present on this surface. They also push the lignite to move downward. When they reach at the certain position, at this position, and the pressure is increases and heat is increases rather than the lignite position. It is also called black gold. It is also called black lignite. It is the main layer of bituminous. When subbituminous stage reach, then it convert into the bituminous. It is also not stored because it is contain 50% of water moisture and 50 to 60% of carbon. When it is exposed to air, it is also disintegrate. Bituminous. When the years are gone, the plants died. The more plants died, and the new plants are formed on the replacement of a dead plant, and they lay down on the surface of a decay plants. They also produce more pressure, and these convert into these reach to at this place, which is the more deeper than the peat, lignite, and subbituminous. It is dark brown in color. It contains 70 to 80% of carbon, 20% of water moisture, and it is also used in steam engines, in boilers to produce the steams. Anthracite. Anthracite is the last and the most important type of coal. It contains approximately 90 to 95% of carbon, less than 70% of water moisture, and its color is shiny black. Its color is shiny black. This is present on the more deepest layer of the earth, which contain a high amount of carbon. On burning, it produces a lot of heat and less smoke. Now we move forward. The summary of classification of coke is peat. Peat convert into lignite. Lignite convert into subbituminous. Subbituminous convert into bituminous, and bituminous convert into anthracite. Peat contain 25 to 35% of carbon. Its color is brown. Lignite contain 45 to 55% of carbon. Its color is blackish brown. Bituminous, it contains 60 to 70% of carbon, and it is also called black lignite. And bituminous contain 70 to 80% of carbon. It is black in color. And anthracite contain 90 to 95% of carbon. It is shiny black in color. This is the main summary of the classification of coke. Now we will move forward on the advantages and disadvantages of coke. Advantages of coal. Coal are available in abundant amount. They produced heat. Coal also used in the production of electricity. How coal are used in the production of electricity? There is a small mechanism. For example, this is a container which contain coal. This is a boiler. When coal placed on the boiler, the heat produced which start to burn the coal. These pipe contain the gas which are released from the on the burning of coal, and these gases start the turbine. When turbine start, the turbine produce then when turbine start, it start the generator which produce the electricity. By this mechanism, the coal is used on the formation of electricity. and there is a place where the ash are released on the burning of coal. Uh, there are few disadvantages of there are few disadvantages of coal. Disadvantages of coal. Coal has many disadvantages. It is a non-renewable resource. Coal is a non-renewable resource. Coal, on the burning of coal, it produces very harmful gases. When we inhale these gases for the long time, when the human can be died. The coal ash produce lung cancer. When we inhale the ash, it directly affect our kidney or also lung. That cause lung cancer and kidney cancer. Thanks. This is from my side.